Are you an investor looking to establish a company in Vietnam, but hesitant due to the complexity of the investment licensing procedures? Rest assured. Starting March 2026, the new investment law will activate a highly liberalized mechanism, creating favorable conditions for investment in Vietnam. The new law allows investors to establish the enterprise first and apply for the investment registration certificate later. This significantly reduces the waiting time, allowing you to immediately proceed with office setup and recruitment. In this video, I will guide you through the exact steps required under the latest regulations. Let's get started. Please note that this procedure applies to investment projects that are exempt from obtaining investment policy approval from the National Assembly, the Prime Minister, or the Provincial People's Committee. Typically small and medium-sized manufacturing, trading, or service projects that do not use land directly assigned by the state. Step 1. Enterprise registration, company establishment. First, investors are permitted to establish the company entity immediately. Licensing authority, the business registration office under the Department of Finance of the province where the headquarters is located. Required key documents include company charter, list of members and shareholders, certified copies of passports for individuals or legal documents for organizations of the investor. Result is issuance of the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC. At this stage, the investor possesses a legal Vietnamese entity with a corporate seal and tax code, enabling basic transactions such as leasing office space, signing labor contracts, and opening bank accounts to prepare for investment or market research. Step 2. Investment registration. Once the company is established in Step 1, this legal entity will submit the application for the specific investment project. Licensing authority are the Department of Finance or the Industrial Zone Management Board. Required key documents include written request for execution of the investment project, copy of the Enterprise Registration Certificate, issued in Step 1, documents proving the financial capacity of the newly established company, or a guarantee from the parent company. Investment project proposal, details on scale, capital, location, technology, etc. Processing time is reduced to approximately 10-15 days. Result is issuance of the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, for the project. Step 3. Opening capital account and capital contribution. Next, the enterprise must open a direct investment capital account, DICA, at a commercial bank. Foreign investors must transfer capital into this account within the timeline committed in the company charter, typically 90 days from the issuance date of the Enterprise Registration Certificate in Step 1. Step 4. Applying for sub-licenses, business eligibility licenses. If the project operates in conditional business sectors, e.g., education, logistics, healthcare, energy, the company must apply for the relevant operating licenses. Fundamentally, any company wishing to operate in these special sectors must meet statutory conditions. Please note that companies that have completed Step 1 can legally prepare dossiers for this step in parallel, helping to shorten the time to reach operational status. For large-scale or specific projects requiring investment policy approval from the National Assembly, the Prime Minister, or the Provincial People's Committee, I will cover the details in a future video. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like this video to support us in creating more quality content. Investment procedures in Vietnam are becoming increasingly simplified and favorable, so please follow the channel for regular updates on the latest information. See you in the next video!